Mirisha.
Yes, Milisha.
Awan sa kanal.
Yes.
Traffic's coming. The singer.
The singer. Are you sure?
Moses, was he not Hebrew?
He's Hebrew. By the way, Hebrew in Ethiopia they have a black. It's an African.
What's the name of this food? Whoa. God bless you, God bless you. Salam, salam. Oh, Mama Africa. We have the same in Albanian music also. Yeah, I will show you later. Bill, you like it? 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I'm gonna film this with a phone because we're not allowed to bring the camera inside. Good.
Salam no.
In the beginning there was Africa, and then came Homo sapiens. Yes, us, wandering around, figuring out how to walk, think, and complain about Mondays. But guess where the oldest of us were found? Not Paris, not Manhattan, Ethiopia. In 1974, scientists uncovered the remains of a 3.2 million year old ancestor nicknamed Lucy. She belonged to the species Australopithecus afarensis, and she changed everything we thought we knew about the early humans. She walked upright, had a small brain, and lived in what we now know as the Great Rift Valley, the very cradle of humanity. From here, early humans migrated north through the Middle East into Europe and Asia, meaning Ethiopia is not just part of history, it is where human history begins. But Ethiopia's story doesn't stop with fossils. It became home to one of the great ancient civilizations, the Kingdom of Aksum. By the 4th century, it was a trading empire connected to Rome, India, and Arabia, and one of the first nations on earth to officially adopt Christianity. But Ethiopia's religious identity is even more layered. For centuries, it was also home to a unique Jewish community, the Beta Israel, with traditions dating back thousands of years, believed by some to be descended from the lost tribe of Dan. In the Bible, Ethiopia is mentioned repeatedly. The Queen of Sheba, a powerful ruler who visited King Solomon, is believed by Ethiopian tradition to have come from here. As empires rose and fell around it, Ethiopia stood firm. It was never colonized. Even in the face of foreign invasion, most notably by Italy, Ethiopia defended its sovereignty, becoming a powerful symbol of African independence and resistance.
Okay, second day in Addis Ababa. So today we're going to eat in a restaurant, in a traditional Ethiopian restaurant. We got another tour guide. We told him like, bring us in a good restaurant, in a traditional Ethiopian restaurant. And I got this. It's traditional here. So write it on the comments how it is. Does it look good or not? Yes, the pollution is here very high, and I don't know if you know, but Addis Ababa is like 2,000 meters high above the sea. So you will feel your breath will be shorter But this is my second day, so I think today I get used to it. But still a lot of pollution. I get used to the 2,000 meters above the sea, but not with the pollution. So this is our tour guy, Mango. How you doing? So let's cross the street. It's always exciting. You always have to watch here. The cars, it's not like in Europe where they let you go, let you pass. Right, Bill? Are you
Yes.
Bill Clinton or Bill Gates?
No Bill Clinton, no Bill Gates. Bill.
You know what Bill means, right? He pays the bills. Hello.
Bill number 9.
Where are we going, my friend? Hello.
No, I'm saying I know my English not perfect, not good, but I'm trying.
No, it's good. Perfect. We can understand.
Right. So by the way, Ethiopia very historical country.
Yeah.
Like it's more than 4,500 for the history, so many things special. Ethiopian Orthodox Church.
Yes.
And the first, the cross, the real cross attached the body for God.
Yeah.
That's also
The real the real cross from Jesus.
Yes, that like the body of Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
That's something you need to test.
Yeah.
Second,
Can we see that? Oh, it's not in Addis Ababa,
I know the place. Let me show you.
but it's far from here, right?
Yeah, a little bit far. So how fun?
Plus runs.
6 and something.
600 kilometers.
But you can go by car for next time if you coming to program it. Everything I'll show you. That's right. And
Yeah, you see, the time is short to see all the Ethiopia here, to visit Ethiopia. But usually we wanted to go to Tanzania and we had to land on Addis Ababa. So I say like, hey, I want to visit Addis Ababa also. That's why we stayed like 2 days. But another time, if you can manage the time, just take more time because Ethiopia is very ancient, very old, has a lot of history. So you can, if you come here, you just take more time so you can visit also other places. Yes.
you see, the real crosses lead from here. The real crosses, was amazing, really.
Moses, was he not Hebrew?
He's Hebrew. By the way, Hebrew and Ethiopia, they have a black.
Yeah.
Because from King Solomon,
Yeah.
with King Solomon, the wife of Ethiopian Queen Sheba.
Yeah.
With Queen Sheba, the wife, which is Ethiopian Queen.
Yeah.
So the first son, first Menelik. Menelik is the first son of King Solomon.
Yeah.
So, by that case, the Solomon 100% look like Solomon first Menelik.
Yeah.
So what can I do? All Israeli people how to come to next time to come to the king of Ethiopia, Israel.
Yeah.
So you have to leave him to go to Ethiopia.
What's the name of this book? Name? How do you call it? Sheklatus. All right. It's very delicious. Really. Very good. And I love injera. He says it's very healthy. And he says like the corona time, no one was sick here.
E pse s'pëlqej mishi ti?
Së pëlqej sa të livretke.
Po ai mishin përzhitet, ai s'ka
Po
lidhje.
da mos do të me livrit atë aja, po të këcy si tanë, svike të këcy. Ta vëllin, shme hongre.
If you come to Ethiopia, always
Oh,
make
che
sure
baba,
that you buy water, and you bring water with you. And wash your hands, wash your teeth with that because of bacteria. It's just better. People here maybe they get used to it, but we are not used to it. So if you want to stay safe, just buy water with you and bring it with you, so you can wash your hands, your teeth, and stuff. But I don't know. The food was good. But I don't know, but a lot. and it was like 20 Swiss francs. I don't know what it is, like $25 or so, and so forth. Like 2 people, so easy peasy, with drinks, with beers. So it's quite cheap. Whoa! This guy looks like Moses or so. Time traveler. So crossing the road here is always excited. Whoa. Watch out, watch out. Rollo adesso a pensiero, a piapa. Come preto, chef. Come. Come. God bless you. Salam. So if I give to poor people, I will never show in camera, just for other friends. Hey, Bill Clinton.
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name? Mirisha. Nice to
Yes.
meet you.
You name?
Mentor.
Mentor.
I am from Kosovo,
Okay.
Albania.
Albania.
Okay. Ciao, salam.
Okay.
Bye. Thank you. Some white man I saw. I must say the girls here are very beautiful. Very beautiful. Totally different as other African girls. They don't have jobs. Yeah. Oh, Mama Africa. Yeah, I told you. I like that. We have the same in Albanian music, also national music. You have also this. I will show you later. Bill, you like it? 1, 2, 1, 2. Go Africa, hey! So Ethiopian people and Jamaican people are the same?
They love each other, no problem, but it's not the same style, culture is different.
But they came from Ethiopia, Jamaicans?
A lot.
A lot?
Even before Bob Marley is here in Ethiopia.
Ah,
Bob Marley mother also.
okay. Yeah. So you know, I am also from Africa. My ancestors were from Africa. 300,000 years ago, everyone.
Maybe, who knows?
So my African DNA is right now activated. It's in my blood. Like, oh, we dance like this. Yeah, we do. Let's go, Mango. Hello.
The traffic is not
Yes.
good.
Ah, because of traffic.
Traffic is coming.
Traffic's coming.
For me,
So we are going to the Unity Park. It's called here in Addis Ababa. It's a tourist attraction, but it's just started to rain. I guess bad luck. Okay, I'm gonna film this with a phone because we're not allowed to bring the camera inside. But yeah, You just have to watch here because a lot of scams are here, which means you pay much more. As a tourist, you pay much more than a local.
Good.
ሰላም ነው። እስቲ ፖድካስት ነው የሚያምረው። ከተቆጣሽ ይቆያል።
Nie rozproskany Czy salon. 5 people.
Only one.